Oh my god, look at me. I'm making content. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so I'm doing a Walmart haul, y'all. I don't normally do this, but I tend to buy so much freaking groceries. Why not make it a part of the daily content that I post? So, yeah. But I didn't get anything crazy, just a couple stuff like these washing machine cleaner pod things and some stove and oven cleaner.
Yeah.
Need some disinfectant. Say hi, Tinky. Some avocados because I made that in the morning, and oats too. Had some grapes, some yogurt. I love me some yogurt. Always gotta get paper towels around here for some freaking reason. And a new scrub, mommy. I love these things. They're so pretty. But yeah, stay blessed, y'all.